Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your chemistry teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about properties of the acid. In my last video, I was telling you about definition of the acid, their types, about concentrated acid, dilute acid, strong acid, hard acid. Now in this video I am going to teach you about properties of the acid. Okay, properties of the acid. Number one, acids change blue litmus to red. This is the physical property of the acid. An acid change blue litmus to red. बेटा एसिड नीलपत्र को लाल कर देता है. ओके, द पीएच ऑफ एसिड इज 7 बिलो द 7. द पीएच ऑफ एसिड इज इक्वल टू बिलो द 7 मीन्स 1 to below the 7. Below the 7 means 1, 2, 3, 3.2 etc. And if the pH of acid is 3 and 4 both, there are two acids, one has pH 3 and second has 4, then the acid that have pH 7 is more stronger than 4. Okay, next is chemical property. There are following chemical property represented by acid. Number one, reaction with metal. Dear students, there are number of metals that react to acid and form metallic salt and evolve hydrogen gas. Means जब एसिड मेटल से क्रिया करते हैं तो धात्विक लवण और हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज करते हैं. लाइक एज दिस इज द हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रिएक्ट विद सोडियम मेटल. ओके, इट रिलीजेस हाइड्रोजन गैस. दिस इज द hydrochloric acid react with sodium metal and evolve hydrogen gas and form sodium chloride salt. Means when metals react with acid they form metallic salt and evolve hydrogen gas. Means evolution of hydrogen gas is the major property. What is the symbol? The release of hydrogen is symbolized reaction of metal with acid. Okay, next is reaction with hydrogen carbonate and metal carbonate. Reaction with metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Dear students, when metal react with metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, they release CO2 gas and form water as well as salt. ओवरऑल यू कैन से दैट जब कभी भी मेटल कार्बोनेट या मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट से क्रिया करते हैं तो वे साल्ट, वाटर और हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज करते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज अ metal carbonate, that is sodium carbonate, that react with hydrochloric acid, okay, and it form sodium chloride salt, water and release CO2 gas. You can see here this is a metal carbonate, that is sodium carbonate, that react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride, water and release CO2 gas. Okay, next is reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate. मतलब you can say that metal hydrogen carbonate, okay, this is a sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, okay, it react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride salt, water and releases carbon dioxide gas. So overall you can say that if acids react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, they form salt, water and releases carbon dioxide gas. Okay, next is reaction with base. Reaction with base or bases. Dear students, you know that when acids react with base, formation of salt and water takes place. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay, you can see here this is the acid, that is sulfuric acid. It reacts with aluminum hydroxide. Okay, that is a base. This is a sulfuric acid that react with aluminum hydroxide base. Okay, and they form aluminum sulfate and water. Okay, Understood? You can simply see here, this is the aluminum sulfate that react, that this is a sulfuric acid that react with aluminum sulfate and form aluminum hydroxide that form aluminum sulfate and water. Okay, this is a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay, simply you can see that. Okay, when this acid react with this base, it form salt and water. Okay, this is a aqueous solution and this is a liquid. So you can simply see that. And next property is reaction with metal oxide. Okay, reaction with metal oxide. Reagents, when acid react with metal oxide, they form salt and water, that is copper oxide react with hydrochloric acid, they form copper chloride and water. Okay, so you can see that when acids react with metal oxide, they form salt and water. Okay, this is a chemical property of acid. And I want to tell you about next property, that is corrosive nature of acid. Dear students, acids have a corrosive nature, means they corrode the metals, cloths, skin and wood. Okay, next is usage of acid. Dear students, acids are used in formation of fertilizers, such as sulfuric acid is used in formation of ammonium sulfate. Okay, sulfuric acid is used in formation of ammonium sulfate fertilizer. Okay, next it also used in formation of dye, paints, chemicals, car batteries and detergents. Okay, the another use of acids are they used in also explosive materials, such as nitric acid is used in formation of TNT, TNG, that is trinitrotoluene, trinitroglycerin. Means nitric acid is used in formation of explosive materials such as trinitrotoluene, trinitroglycerin, and it is also used in formation of ammonium nitrate. Okay, nitric acid is also used in formation of ammonium nitrate. Okay, so there are number of uses of acids. Next is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used to remove film covered on the steel objects. Okay, so acids are very dangerous but are very useful. So guys, I hope that all of you understood about the properties of the acid and their usage. Okay, in my next video I will teach you about bases. What are bases, what is their properties, their uses, etc. Thank you.